The 2026 Subaru WRX STI is here, and it's nothing short of a game-changer. When we talk about cars that ignite emotion, that stir the senses, and that never compromise on driver engagement, the WRX STI always finds its way to the top of the list. Subaru's rally-bred beast has returned with more muscle, more grip, and more attitude than ever before. It's not just a refresh, it's a redefinition of what a modern performance sedan can and should be. The STI has always lived on the edge, and in 2026, it continues that legacy but with even more precision and control. Let's start with the design. You can tell right away that this car means business. The aggressive front end, with sharper LED headlights and a new honeycomb grille, immediately grabs attention. It sits wider and lower, giving it a planted look even when standing still. The hood scoop is back, not just for looks but functional as always, feeding air into that turbocharged engine. The fenders have been flared even more, and the air vents and the rear bumper give it a race-ready stance. Around back, the iconic STI spoiler is larger than ever. Some might call it overkill, but for fans of this car, it's pure perfection. The quad exhaust tips hint at the performance underneath, and those blacked-out 19-inch wheels wrapped in sticky summer tires complete the look. But as always, the real story with the WRX STI lies under the skin. Powering the 2026 model is a 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 boxer engine. It's the most powerful STI ever produced, making an estimated 400 horsepower and 370 pound-feet of torque. And yes, that power is sent through a 6-speed manual gearbox. Subaru has doubled down on what enthusiasts love most: an analog, connected driving experience. This engine isn't just more powerful, it's more responsive, with better throttle tuning, reduced turbo lag, and a more linear power band that delivers an incredible surge of speed through the rev range. It pulls hard from 3,000 RPM all the way to redline, and the sound of gritty, mechanical, and unmistakably boxer is music to a driver's ears. All that power is harnessed by Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system, and it's been refined for 2026. Now with advanced torque vectoring, the system can send power precisely to where it's needed most in real time. Whether you're tearing through tight corners or launching from a standstill, the grip is unbelievable. The STI also comes with adjustable driver modes that let you tailor the all-wheel drive response, throttle mapping, suspension stiffness, and steering weight. For the first time ever, Subaru has equipped the STI with adaptive dampers, allowing you to switch between comfort, sport, and track settings. This means the STI can finally serve as both a thrilling weekend warrior and a usable daily driver. Chassis rigidity has been improved thanks to structural enhancements and the use of lightweight, high-strength materials. The handling is sharper, turn-in is more immediate, and mid-corner balance is truly impressive. You feel connected to the road in a way that few modern performance cars manage. The steering is heavier and more communicative than before, making it feel like an extension of your arms. And then there's the braking. A Subaru has equipped this car with beefier Brembo brakes at all 4 corners, giving you fade-free stopping power even after repeated hard use. Step inside the STI, and the upgrades continue. The cabin is still driver-focused, but it's far more premium than in the past. The dashboard is anchored by a massive 11.6-inch touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to vehicle settings, performance telemetry, and connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's intuitive, fast, and looks great. The seats are deeply bolstered Recaro buckets with STI embroidery and red contrast stitching. They hold you in place during spirited driving but are also supportive enough for long road trips. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, the pedals are aluminum, and there are carbon fiber trim pieces sprinkled throughout the cabin to remind you that this is no ordinary sedan. Despite all its performance chops, The 2026 WRX STI hasn't forgotten about practicality. There's room in the back for passengers, a sizable trunk, and the kind of everyday usability that makes it easy to live with. Subaru has even included upgraded sound insulation and cabin refinement to reduce road noise, an area where previous generations were often criticized. And for the first time ever, Subaru's EyeSight safety suite is compatible with the manual transmission, meaning you get adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, pre-collision braking, and more, without sacrificing the engaging drive. It's a true evolution of what the STI can be, not just faster, but smarter and more refined. What really makes this car special, though, is that it exists in a world rapidly moving toward hybrids and electric powertrains. The 2026 WRX STI may be the last of its kind, a turbocharged, manual, all-wheel drive sedan built purely for people who love to drive. It's loud, aggressive, unapologetically analog in a digital world, and yet it feels more modern and mature than any STI before it. Subaru has walked the line perfectly between honoring the past and embracing the future. There's a growing list of performance sedans out there. Some are faster, some are more luxurious, but none deliver the same mix of rally spirit, raw mechanical feedback, and everyday usability that the WRX STI has always nailed. This car doesn't try to be everything to everyone. It knows its audience: drivers who want to feel every gear change, hear every turbo whistle, and carve through corners like they're on a rally stage. It's designed to connect you to the road, not isolate you from it. And that's something truly rare in today's market. If you've ever driven an STI before, you'll feel right at home in the 2026 model, but you'll also notice it's more grown-up, more refined. It doesn't lose any of the raw energy, but it channels it better. It's like a seasoned athlete who's honed their skills and refined their technique. Still fast, still wild, but more controlled, more focused. It's a performance machine that's matured without losing its edge. Subaru has taken a bold step with this car. In a time when many automakers are dialing back the enthusiast factor, they've leaned into it. They've listened to the community, kept the manual, kept the turbo, and improved almost every single detail. It's a love letter to fans and a warning shot to competitors.